Nestled on an elevated portion of its site in Mendiolaza, in the rural foothills of Córdoba, House BP by architect Santiago Berlotti takes full advantage of its gentle topography and sweeping panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The residence, completed in 2024, spans approximately 400 square meters and is carefully oriented along the dominant boundaries of the land, establishing a quiet dialogue between architecture and terrain. The architectural strategy unfolds through a dual formal operation: a monolithic main volume of continuous, earth-toned walls that presents a controlled, almost introspective facade toward the vehicular entrance, juxtaposed with a lighter, more transparent pavilion that opens generously toward the fields. This deliberate contrast between solidity and openness defines a powerful spatial narrative, one that balances protection with expansive visual connection. At the heart of the residence, the social life of the home, living, dining, and kitchen spaces, is conceived as a continuous and flexible field of activity. This integrated core flows seamlessly into a parallel longitudinal gallery, whose orientation and generous openings extend daily living outward, blurring the line between interior and exterior. Such an arrangement reinforces a relaxed yet unified experience of daily life. In contrast to the social core's openness, the private wing of the home is positioned along the right side of the plan. Here, bedrooms are buffered by a linear corridor and the substantial thermal mass of the walls, with carefully modulated openings that provide privacy while maintaining comfortable interior climate conditions. A separate complementary volume, set slightly apart, introduces a contemporary language of metal structure and filtered light. The landscape design reinforces the house's connection to place. Native grasses, herbaceous plants, and indigenous shrubs are planted loosely across the terrain, not as ornament, but as a natural extension of the Serrano ecosystem. A linear pool, positioned directly alongside the gallery, acts as a reflective horizontal plane that visually elongates the architecture and engages with the surrounding vegetation. Material choices are rooted in climatic and geographical logic. Pigmented cement plaster walls with handcrafted texture provide earthy hues that shift throughout the day's light, while solid wood structures and black metal and glass elements articulate warmth and refinement. House BP is ultimately conceived not as a standalone object, but as a territorial intervention, one that dissolves into the colors, textures, and temporal rhythms of its rural setting.